What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, we are. This is the best money and credit channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. All right, I'm talking this from right here. King Hussle, King Hussle X1L, no rags, just riches. King Hussle crazy reactions. The Hussle family, turn motivation into memes, dog pound exotic pups, goosebumps horror stories, sleeping with the rain, Milwaukee made King Hussle live, King Hussle 2.0. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out here, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video. Make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for, right? And before you get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. What it do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members. And you know we are back at it again with the gems. I'm back at it again with the sauce. I'm back at it again with the information that's going to turn you to a boss. So you're tired of being a zero. You ready to be your family hero. Listen up. Take a seat. Get your pen. Get your notepad. Let's get to these gems. Because I promise you, I always got some information that's going to help you win. So you're tired of being, you ready to be that boss. You ready to get this cash. You ready to be sitting on your, and just making passive income. And let's get to it. All right. So Truist Bank, they giving out the bag. They giving out to $100,000 and no documentation loans with bad credit. Yes, but you just got to understand the logistics of what you have to do to get it. It ain't no, oh, King Hussle said Truist Bank is giving out $100,000 just because I got bad credit and I got an LLC. No. Because I don't want to hear people like, oh, that's not what, no. They are giving out people $100,000 with bad credit, but it's certain things that you got to understand. Okay, so let's get to it. So if you want to get this $100,000 with Truist Bank, with a new LLC and an EIN number, you gotta understand this. Okay, so let me go right here. Let me break it down to you. Let me break it down to y'all real quick, because I really want y'all to understand. All right, so when it comes to Truist Bank, like I told y'all before, when it comes to getting any loan or any type of credit card, line of credit, any of that, you want to do your homework on that bank. You want to know, first of all, who are they pulling from? Because every bank doesn't pull from the same FICOs. So Truist may pull from Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion reports when you apply for a credit card. If any of your credit reports are frozen, you should freeze them before applying for a Truist credit card. That's just their credit card. But Truist, they pull from they don't do really hard pulls, they do soft pulls. So in actuality, if they're gonna check all three, you need to really just focus on the Experian or the Equifax, because a lot of people don't understand that different banks report to different lenders. So okay, we're gonna focus on the Experian account. So now we're gonna focus on all three credit bureaus. So we need all three anyway. So you don't need all three, because you're gonna need all three for different banks. So we're gonna focus on all three. So we're gonna build all three. So okay, we know that they're gonna pull from all three. So now we're like, okay, what trade lines report to all three credit bureaus? What trade lines can I get that's gonna report to my TransUnion, my Equifax, and Experian? Because when I go to apply for this loan and use my personal credit, they're gonna pull these three credit reports. Okay, right now my credit report is reporting a 600 credit score, right? So okay, let me go figure out how my debt is at $20,000. I need to boost this debt. And if I think I'm gonna get $100,000 more, I need to add more debt to my payment history. I already got my documentations that I need from PDF filler. So I got the documentations that I need. So all I need to do is, add these trade lines to my credit report. So everything is good. So creditstrong.com. Okay, they report to everybody. Majority of all trade lines report to all FICOs. So you need all trade lines, period, because you need to build all FICOs, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax. So creditstrong.com gonna give you that $10,000 that you need to report. Credit Magnum will give you up to $30,000 that you need to report. So let's say you're somebody with $10, $20, $30,000 in debt already. You're gonna be adding on top of that debt. So the new $40,000 on top of $30,000 is $70,000 in debt. Now you're raising the debt that you need because you're trying to get a $100,000 no doc loan with your new LLC. So you're raising the debt on that credit, on your credit profile that you need for them to show this bank Truist that you can manage money. So Truist, they can pull from Experian. It depends on whichever one going on. Let's say Truist give me $3 within a week and another 2 minutes. Equifax. So yeah, Equifax. Because I don't want to give you all the wrong information, but you're gonna have to build all three anyways. Because once you hit all one bank, you gotta hit another bank. So because it depends on. So they pull from Experian, boom. All right, you got two other banks, TransUnion and Equifax. So you're gonna add to that debt. So you just got $70,000 in debt because you just got the $40,000 plus the $30,000 that you already had. So now you're like, okay, I need more debt. So you got credit builder trade lines that will add to the debt and report as primary trade lines. So these credit unions that have credit builder trade lines. Insight will give you $5,000. DCU will give you $5,000. Bank of America will give you $5,000. Now DCU will give you $2,500. Credit Ninja give you $5,000. Bank of America give you $5,000. People go on Bank of America website and be like, "Why I don't see the credit builder loan? This not on there. They don't offer that." You have to call them. You have to be offered that. You got to tell them like you're looking to rebuild your credit. Like this is what you have to do. Like a lot of people aren't willing to do that. Like and they miss out on the opportunity to get money. Also, a lot of people don't have no will and want to for that money, and they know they're gonna have to owe the money back. So they also be like, "I ain't doing that. I ain't getting that." So there's a lot of different situations and a lot of different reasons why people don't actually get the loans that they actually want to get. Because, people try to figure out all different type of ways to get around the system when they can just learn it the right way and figure out the legal loopholes and be good to go. So, back to the point. So, you got credit builder trade lines from credit unions and banks. You got the AVAs, the kickoffs. You got unique primary trade lines. You got trade lines of Gamba. You got secured loans and credit cards, and these are loans and credit cards that you can get utilizing your own cash. You're not going into the bank borrowing money, but you're going to the bank with your own money. Say, hey, I got $10,000. I want to get a $5,000 secured loan or a $5,000 secured credit card. So your limit will be $5,000 on your secured credit card, and you have a $5,000 secured loan being reported on your credit report. People also do this with businesses too. Like people use their own money to start building their credit. Like you got $100,000, you can get you a $50,000 secured business loan, a $50,000 secured the loan, and start building your business credit like that. Like it's people. We're gonna get into that. I'm gonna get into that. Like do anybody out there be having like nose here? They be tickling them. You feel like they got boogers or I really be just saying. Nose here, like my bad, man. Listen, I'm Puerto Rican, Dominican, and Native American, so I'm a little hairy. So people like, bro, my ethnicity is a little different, so you know what I mean. So bear with me. All right, so back to this credit gems that's gonna help you win. So and also make sure y'all remember that creditboards.com will literally tell you where each bank is pulling from, which FICO they pull from, which one they report to. So always keep creditboards.com in your back of your head when you're trying to figure out what bank this bank pulls from, right? So add those nine, like I told y'all before, you need the 5 primary trade lines. You need the line of credit, the line of credit, primary, installment, revolving, auto. No, you need line of credit, revolving, installment, auto, mortgage. Right there. A lot of people don't got all that. A lot of people don't be having all that, right? So you gotta figure out where to get these things at. It's a lot of different ways. A lot of people piggyback off other people's credit. Parents who have good credit allows their kids to piggyback off their credit. People who know millionaire buddies that have successful businesses allow them to piggyback off their business credit. It's a lot of different situations that go on that people utilize. That's why there's a lot of more of these people that have money than these people because they didn't no one taught us that, right? So A lot of people are afraid of debt. Stop being afraid of debt. You need debt. The more debt that you have reported on your credit report, the more money that they will lend you. That's why a lot of people get, credit profile numbers, and they start building those and adding debt on that because, you can get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit with credit profile numbers. Just like the people who were in jail, they got them CPNs, they getting loans, credit cards with those credit profile numbers and living their life. It's a loophole around everything. And they really use that for just in case. So, understand that the more debt that you have, so if you got 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, and debt being reported on your credit report, that's not enough. They don't want to see that. You're not going to get no money. They're not going to lend you no bag. No, you got to get that debt up. Because they're going to say, okay, this is somebody that can manage money. This somebody that can, they got it going on. And then previous video, I told you about PDF filler where you can get your documents. You can edit documents, for whatever reasons that you need. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, but you want to make it seem like you got $3 million in your bank account. You want to show a friend or your girlfriend. You want to show it off like, hey, look, I got $3 million in my bank account. Look, this is my bank right here. There you go. Make it, play a trick or have somebody thinking you got more, whatever you want to do. But PDF filler will help you or allow you to edit any type of document. You just download the document, load it up into PDF filler, and edit whatever that you need to edit. Once you got all your documents that you need, you just make sure that you got the trade lines on your credit report that you need to report so that they can see that you can manage money. I keep trying to tell y'all this in every video. It's not about your credit score. You can have an 800 credit score, but if you don't have any debt being reported on your credit report, you're not getting approved for any loan because they don't care what you did then, they care what you're doing now. And right now, you don't have any debt. So that 800 credit score goes out the window. What are you doing right now? Can you manage money right now? That's what matters. So always having debt on your credit report will get you where you need to be and also build your credit score. So then when you get your LLC and your EIN number, and you gotta establish it the right way. Business address, a business email, a business number, getting it registered with the 401 National Directory, getting to the public records with the Better Business Bureau, all these type of things. Then you're good to go. So then you get your Dun & Bradstreet, you get your NAV credit builder account. It's going to help you build your business credit score. Then you get net 30s. Then you get you secured loans and credit cards with your business, which means you got a secured loan and a secured credit card being reported on your business credit. You can take $10,000 and get you a $5,000 secured loan, $5,000 secured credit card. You can get you a $2,500 loan, $2,500 secured credit card. It doesn't matter. But it's being reported to your credit report, and it's has good payment history, and you paying it off. So understand that these type of things is how people are getting rich fast off credit. Because how are you getting rich off credit? Because they're getting the money, they're leveraging the money, they're investing the money into things that's making them more money back. Easy as that. And that's the whole game. That's the whole idea, is to get money, invest into something, because the world works off the 3 P's: product, perception, and promotion. A lot of people have a hard time trying to figure out how to become successful. Well, you got to get something to sell. It could be knowledge, or it could be a physical product. And this physical product has to be something that is in high demand. A lot of people have to want it, so that's why a lot of people start clothing lines. That's why a lot of people do music. That's why a lot of people do a lot of different things, because they're offering something for somebody to buy. That's how it works. So you got to figure out, what are you going to offer, what product, what knowledge are you going to offer for people to buy. And once you figure that out, then you get somewhere. That's how you become a self-made millionaire. That's how you become successful, putting something out there to the universe for them to buy. Easy as that. So with Truist Bank over here, Truist Bank, they giving out the bag. All right, so apply for the loan within seconds. Choose the length of the loan that you want. Make a scheduled monthly payments of principal and interest. Track your balance online. Make a one-time purchase. You can use it for fun and specific in anything that you want. Consolidate, expand your business. It's not hard. Looking for a commercial loan. They got up to $250,000 annual revenue for $20 million, $2 million. Like, they really helping out people, and it's not hard to get loans with Truist, right? So you gotta understand that as long as you got that information and everything that you need when you go in there, it'll be way easier. Because like I said, these loan officers and these people in these banks are normal people, are human. So if you, they'll help you out. Put it like that. They'll help you get along. They'll help push through a loan. So like number off or something, you know, they'll figure it out for you. They'll help you out. So don't be shy. Just so like right here it says eligible request for no financial statements or liquidity verification subject to credit history review and bank underwriting standards. Startup businesses in existence less than 2 years or not profit require financial statement review prior to approval. So for people that have businesses under a certain years, they're gonna ask you for documentation. But it says right here, eligible request for no financial statements or liquidity verification subject to credit history review or bank underwriting standards. All right, so they letting you know right there they got the program. You just gotta make sure you've been in business for X amount of time, right? So make sure y'all tapping in with Truist. Make sure y'all not going in there sloppy. Make sure y'all got all y'all documents together. Make sure y'all got everything in order, and I promise you, you'll get approved for $100,000 with Truist Bank. Shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there would be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce, and y'all motivate me keep you entertained. So shout out to all of y'all. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, let's get to work. FaceTime one-on-one limited gems is $1,200, but for limited time only. I'm doing them for $350. Yes, $350 cash app or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is on your cash app or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot. Let me know you payment ready, and we will go from there. All right? No screenshot, no reply, no 21 questions, and please do not yell me. 5 questions, and we're gonna get you together. Also, make sure y'all tapping in with the Crypto Tour in-person limited gems. $6,500, $500 deposit the rest of the money meet in person. Meet me in Houston, Texas. But if you want me to come out of town, it's gonna be $7,500, $500 deposit the rest of the money meet in person. You also gotta pay for my hotel and my flight, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. Also, make sure y'all follow the Telegram Millionaire Network. Still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women, and content curators. We're gonna do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, networking, having fun, and making money. All right, so make sure you're tapping in on that. Make sure you go follow my clothing brand, Hussle Department, dropping new joggers. That's Hussle Department in French on IG. It's Hussle Department, dropping new joggers, apparel, and kids apparel real soon. Make sure you go follow my blog channels, No Rags, Just Riches, King Hustle 2.0, Milwaukee made King Hustle. Make sure you go follow my reaction channel, King Hustle Crazy Reaction Channels, going crazy over there. Make sure you go follow my music channel, King Hustle X1M, just dropped a new mixtape, Hustle and Flow, new single, Miss Coleman. Go like, share, comment, subscribe, run reviews, likes, and comments up. Make sure you follow me on my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you follow me on my rain channel, Sleeping with the Rain. And make sure y'all follow me on IG, King Hustle X1M. Make sure y'all just tapping in everywhere, because I promise y'all we about to go crazy, we about to turn up. We about to, oh yeah, make sure you follow me on Twitch, H&E King Hustle. Make sure you follow me on my live stream on YouTube, King Hustle Live. That's where I'm gonna be twitching at. So make sure y'all stay tapped in. We finna run this algorithm up and have fun, do a lot of giveaways, and you know, turn everybody up and have fun with it. Alright, so make sure y'all tapping in. Go and subscribe to all the platforms. Follow me on my telegrams, and let's get to this money, man. It's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.